Hello guys, welcome to A3 Tech again. We already heard about the AI that writes and does a lot of things. It could even help you write your proposal, things you could not imagine. Seriously, and it's not that AI other than ChatGP. Yeah, ChatGP OpenAI gives you the opportunity to test run the AI in their playground. So you need an email to sign up to have access to it. Without that, you'll not be able to use the playground. So I've not been able to upgrade it yet, but I'll still try and upgrade to see uh, what how powerful this AI is. Because some users said it could literally write a book and a full article for blog. But the scary part is this: we're all thinking if this AI is writing articles, blog posts, etc., are these articles and blog posts going to be optimized for search engine? That's the question that keeps coming into everybody's mind. But yesterday, Google announced a rival. Bad. What were they waiting for? They were waiting for OpenAI to introduce ChatGP before they launched theirs. Literally, Google is the biggest data collector currently in the world. But before I go into that and see how it works, let me just try and put some things into place on OpenAI. So let's just say okay, let's put a random topic about what is skin skin cancer. Then you click on submit. Okay, skin cancer is a group of cancers that originate in the skin. It is most common type of cancer in the United States and can affect any part of the body. The most common type of skin cancer are basal cell and carcinoma, squamous cell, etc. So you can see it gives an answer just like you are interacting with and human. You are interacting with a dermatologist. The brief information a dermatologist will give you. Let's look at something else. Let's look at, okay, write an article about skin cancer. Write an article of 500 words about skin cancer. Submit. You can see what is happening. It's literally writing it, and the funniest part is the content are very very clean in the sense that the plagiarized part will not be much. Okay, let's take this. We are taking it to Grammarly to check the plagiarism. Like, so, are writers doomed? What do you think? Leave a comment in the comment section. Is ChatGP going to take our writer's job? What about copywriting? Are this AI going to do that? Though we've really had some other AIs before now, but ChatGP really caught us off guard. You can see the overall scoring performance is 95 out of 100. So just let's do some editing with Grammarly, then we check for the plagiarism. Even the grammatical error is not really much. That's really wonderful, honestly. OpenAI really did a very very good job here. So let me just check the plagiarism. Now, most marketers are saying this OpenAI is going to be a game changer for the marketing industry, which I really believe because you could easily generate content, and if you are smart about it, you use your creative part. You can see what I'm saying. The content is 100% original. So what are we saying? Seriously, if this is not an article, if not for the optimization purpose, I would not be concerned about this open AI, but the optimization purpose is my major concern right now. Okay, I'm still going to check it in another plagiarism checker to be okay. Let me use copy speed, copy scale. Okay, I think I have copies. I have some font there, so I will use that to check the plagiarism again. That's 100% on Grammarly. It's amazing. It's amazing. Honestly, I can't hide my feeling. This is really amazing. So you need to fund your Copyscape. This is a premium to search. So I just hope this the amount I have will be enough. Okay. Okay. So the only result Copyscape found is sunburn prevention. So I can easily go compare and rephrase the part Copyscape found. But this is really amazing. What is your thoughts? Now Google release Bard. They are introducing Bard, though I've not really got access to use it. So, but as time goes on, it was released yesterday. I know I would probably do my due diligence about it, read more about it before I try it out. But currently, I don't think Google AI is going to take over Chat GP anytime soon. They will struggle with this if they don't end up buying Chat GP. I'm telling you. What is your opinion? Tell me in the comment section. Thank you for watching today's video, and learn to utilize this AI to your own preferences. You can use it to write and edit it to suit what you want. It will make your work easier and faster. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. Stay safe and see you next time. Bye bye.